B.
Roller coaster ride.
Yo, they love me. They laugh like this black. They crazy. I love it.
We filming out, man. This is so funny. Blade drop must be his first time driving, man.
This man think this nigga breath smell like shizit. Your man Freedom, look at him. With the hat, Cowboys, Patriots, Tim Brady. Smell like shit. Shit pure. He been holding his mouth shut for like 5 hours. And he's trying to tell me he ballin'. I don't wanna hear that shit. It smell like doo-doo. Look at my girl right here. How you doing, baby?
I'm fine. How are
See?
you?
She love me. I do this all the time, baby. You know, smooth black hair nigga. Ooh, nigga! We have the menu here. We have rotten cheese, stale potato chips, stale cookies, and flat soda. Spirit. Fly the Spirit every day. $35 a flight. Don't put up a fight. Yo, my ear, hold on. Oh, that sound. I think I popped it too much.
Huh?
I'm good. My shit's open up. Your shit open up? Because that motherfucker breath. That nigga went like that. He smelled his own breath. That shit went. You know when you smell your own breath like this from your hand? That nigga smell his shit. Look at my girlfriend. She's telling me to calm down.
You are too loud. There's other people around you. It's only enough
I thought it was two.
It's going to take before we have the gate.
What?
15.
You the best. Where your ring at? I don't see a ring.
Listen, don't you worry about my ring. You need to worry about the little lips. They're kind of cold.
Ugh.
Okay? People around you. Okay?
My girl ain't playing, B. My girl want me to be easy, B. Know what I mean? Now she go, now you don't knock that shit down, ain't on. Don't knock that shit down, ain't on. Knock that shit down, ain't on. You hear this nigga? Stink breath. He's Tim Brady. Look at my man. Oh my God. Keep away from that nigga. He's toxic. Toxic area.
You dig what I'm saying?
What's up, homie? Man, when my wife go through my phone, be tight.